Good morning, students. I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic ions. This is from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. So watch the entire video lecture to get basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic ions from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. So let's start. So let's start with the topic ions. So you can see what is an ion. An ion is a positively or negatively charged atom or groups of atoms. Okay, so what are ions? An ion is a positively or negatively charged atoms or group of atoms. Okay, so it can be ion can be of positively charged, that is known as cations, and negatively charged, that is known as anions. So you can see, first we'll see, so there are two types of ions, one is cation and anion. So first we'll see cation. So what are cation? A positively charged ion is known as cation. Okay, so what is the definition of cation? A cation is formed by loss of one or more electrons by an atom. Okay, so what is cation? A cation is formed by loss of one or more electron by an atom. So you can see one example I have given, sodium. So the formula of sodium is Na. So you can see the right side, in the right side you can see one arrow is given in the right hand direction, one arrow is given here. You can see on top of arrow minus one electron. Okay, so sodium, when loses one electron, it forms sodium ion. Okay, so this Na plus, so that is a sodium ion, and this is a cation. Since cations are positively charged, that's why it's written Na plus. Okay, so what is cation? Since cation is formed by removal of electrons from an atom, therefore a cation contains less electron than the normal atom. Okay, so you can see one example given here. Let us write down the number of protons and electrons in sodium atom as well as in sodium ion as shown below. You can see sodium ion. Okay, so you can see first one, sodium atom, that is Na, and one electron is loosed and it forms sodium ion, that is Na plus. So in sodium atom there are proton is equal to 11 and electron is equal to 11. So this is a balanced one. Okay, so protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. So overall charge of sodium atom is 0. Okay, but in case of sodium ion, in the right hand side you can see proton is 11, electron is 10. Okay, so electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged. So overall charge is plus 1. That's why it's written Na plus. Okay, so all the metals atom, okay, so all the metal atom can lose electron easily. So all the metal elements form cation or positive ion. So you can see certain points are there. If an atom loses one electron, then the cation or positive ion formed has a 1 unit positive charge. Okay, and if the atom has 2 electron, okay, so if an atom loses 2 electron, okay, so if an atom loses 2 electron, then the cation or positive ion formed has 2 unit of positive charge. So for example, if an atom loses 1 electron, there are sodium ions, so Na 1 plus. And next one, you can see if an atom loses 2 electrons, so you can see example is there Mg2 plus. Okay, and third one, you can see if an atom loses 3 electron. Okay, if an atom loses 3 electron, then the cation or positive ion formed has 3 unit positive charge. Example, you can see aluminium Al3 plus. So you can see the cation examples are given, like if it loses 1 electron, that is sodium ion, that is sodium 1 plus. If it loses 2 electron, then Mg2 plus. If it loses 3 electron, then Al3 plus. Okay, so next we'll discuss a negatively charged ion, that is known as anion. Okay, so you can see chloride ion, chloride Cl minus, this is an example of anion. So what is an anion? An anion is formed by gain of one or more electron by an atom. Okay, so if it gains one or more electron, then it is called anion. You can see chlorine atom Cl. Okay, and then the arrow is given, you can see plus electron, so one electron is gained, so then it becomes Cl minus, that is chloride ion, and it is an anion. Okay, so since an anion is formed by addition of electron to an atom, therefore an anion contains more electron than the normal atom. Okay, so an anion contains more electron than a normal atom. So you can see one example I've taken. You can see, and anions are negatively charged. You can see negative symbol is given. A negatively charged chloride ion or chloride ion. So you can see, let us write down the number of protons and electrons in a chlorine atom. Okay, so now we'll see in a chlorine atom the number of protons and electrons, and a chloride ion as shown in figure below. Okay, so in chlorine atom and chloride ion, what are the number of protons and electrons there? You can see chlorine arrow plus one electron is added and it forms chloride ion. So chlorine atom to chloride ion, we'll see. So in a chlorine atom, you can see proton, there are 17 protons, and electron there are 17. So protons are, see, positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. So 17 it get neutralized. Okay, so overall charge is 0. But whereas in chloride ion, you can see proton is 17 and electron is 18. So protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. So there is overall charge is -1. Okay, that's why it's written Cl minus. So these are the certain you can see certain instructions. So most of the non-metal atom can gain or accept electron easily. So most of the non-metal element form anion or negative ion. Okay, so you can see if an atom gains 1 electron, then the anion or negative ion formed has 1 unit negative charge. Example, Cl minus, 1 minus is here. Next one, you can see if an atom gains 2 electron, then the anion or negative ion formed has 2 unit negative charge. Example, you can see O2 minus. Okay, oxide ion, you can see. Third one, you can see if an atom gains 3 electron, then the anion or negative ion formed has 3 unit negative charge. Example, you can see N3 minus, that is a nitride ion. So the examples of anions are Cl minus, O2 minus, then N3 minus. Okay, respectively. So you can see here some common ions is given. You can see the name of ion and symbols. So you can see 18 ions are given. You can see sodium ion Na plus, potassium ion K plus, ammonium ion NH4 plus, magnesium ion Mg2 plus, calcium ion Ca2 plus, copper 2 ion Cu2 plus, zinc ion Zn2 plus, iron 2 ion, okay, that is Fe2 plus, aluminum ion Al3 plus. So these are the all cations you can see on the left hand side. These are positively charged, and right hand side you can see all anions are there. Those are negatively charged. You can see 10th one, you can see chloride ion Cl minus, bromide ion Br minus, hydroxide ion OH minus, nitride ion NO3 minus, then oxide ion O2 minus, then sulfide ion S2 minus, then carbonate ion CO3 2 minus, then sulfate ion SO4 2 minus, then phosphate ion PO4 3 minus. So student, this 18 formulas you have to memorize for cation and anion. So you all should copy this down. Okay, some common examples of ion, that is cation and anion both given. Now what is ionic compound? Okay, so now what is ionic compound? So the compound which are made up of ions are known as ionic compound. Okay, so the compound that are made up of ions are known as ionic compound. Okay, so you can see one ionic, I have given the example of ionic compound. You can see 11 examples I have given. You can see one column is written name, then formula, then ion present. Okay, like sodium chloride, a compound, an ionic compound named sodium chloride is formula is NaCl, and what are the ions present? You can see if I split sodium chloride, that means NaCl, there will be Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so cation is Na plus and anion is Cl minus. Next is potassium chloride. Potassium chloride formula is KCl, and the anions present is K plus and Cl minus. Next, ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. Formula is NH4Cl. You can see the anions present NH4 plus and Cl minus. Next, you can see magnesium chloride. Formula is MgCl2, and the anions present is Mg2 plus and Cl minus. Next is calcium chloride. So calcium chloride formula is CaCl2, and the ions present is Ca2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, Then magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide formula is MgO, and the ions present is Mg2 plus and O2 minus. Next is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide formula is CaO, and the ions present is Ca2 plus and O2 minus. Okay. So all the plus signs are cation and all the negative signs are anion. By this time you have known this. Okay. Next, number 8 is aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide formula is Al2O3. So anions is Al3 plus and O2 minus. Next is sodium hydroxide, that means NaOH, that is Na plus and OH minus. Next is copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, that is copper 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Next is calcium nitrate, that is N, and that what is the formula of calcium nitrate, that is CaNO3 whole 2. So the anions, that the ions present, what are the ions present, you can see Ca2 plus, there is a cation, and NO3 minus, that is an anion. So you have to memorize this, you have to copy this down, 11 names, formula with ions present. Next, you can see I have given 2 sample problem. You can see whatever we have studied now, you will be able to answer this. So write down the names of compound represented by the following formula and also show the ions present in them. So you can see first one is aluminum sulfate. Okay, so Al2SO4 whole 3, this is aluminum sulfate. So Al2SO4 whole 3 is aluminum sulfate, and what are the ions present? Al3 plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, next is calcium chloride, CaCl2. So name of the compound is for CaCl2 is calcium chloride, and the ions present is Ca2 plus and Cl minus. Next you can see K2SO4. K2SO4 name is potassium sulfate, and the ions present is K plus and SO4 2 minus. Next 4 option, you can see question 4, KNO3. What is KNO3? Potassium nitrate. Okay, what are the ions present is potassium, K plus and NO3 minus. Next is calcium carbonate. So CaCO3, full form of CaCO3 is calcium carbonate, and the ions present are Ca2 plus and CO3 2 minus. Okay, next you can see last sample problem I have given. Calculate the formula mass of potassium carbonate, that is K2CO3, and the given atomic masses are K, potassium is given 39 and carbon is given 12 and oxygen is given 16. So we know that the formula of K2CO3 is equal to mass of 2K atom, that means 2 potassium atom, mass of 1 carbon atom, and mass of 3 oxygen atom. Okay, because it is K2CO3, so 2K we have to find, 1C and 3O. So you can see 2 into 39, K value is 39 given, that's why 2 into 39, this is the value of K. Next carbon is given 12, isn't it? So 12, only 1. Next is oxygen is 3O. Okay, 3 times is given, that's why oxygen is 16. So 16 into 3, so it comes 138. So the formula mass of potassium carbonate is 138. Okay, and U is the symbol, the unit of it. So in this video we have studied about the ions, the cation, the anion, how to write the formula of it, how to split up from one compound, how to split up the ions, cations and anions. Okay. Thank you students. This was all about the entire video lecture. Here have discussed about the topic ions. This is from the chapter atoms and molecules. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomji sir signing off for today, and again we will meet in the next class. Thank you students.